Yeah, Mr. Soul 9759, I got Quarterking over here. We're gonna at the ball field here. There was a ball field here. Over there was train station. Pretty big park here. Yeah, it just scored a wheat. I think it's a wheat. Yep, that's a wheat. Another wheat. Yeah, we're in the middle of the ball field right now. Piece of fence and got a little jewel in it. Have a little pistol there. Alright, get back to you. And Mr. So's home now. Quarterking had to leave. He got a 1934 Merc. I got 2 quarters, 2 pennies, 3 wheats, a dime, and I'll show you that. I wish that was complete, but alright, happy hunting. See you next time. This is over 9759. Getting my new truck. I'm gonna go to that farmer's field for a while before it rains. It's gonna rain, I think. So, alright, get back to you. That's all silver. Yep, the key. Change positions. Over in the old school. Yeah, I think I've got a wheat finally. I think it's thinking head. Yeah, I think it's a wheat. Yeah, it's a wheat. I think I found one down there by the school. Hey, Mr. So's home. Kind of dark here. Yeah, I got 3 quarters, two memorials, 4 dimes. Yeah, there's 4 memorials, 2 wheats, 2 keys. All right, happy hunting. See you next time.